Hello kids, welcome to maths class with Mr. Daniel. Today we'll be completing lesson 12 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 4 workbook. Our focus will be to relate manipulative representations to a written method. Let us play this game. We want to use 10 to subtract. So if I show you the number, you tell me the answer. What is 16 minus 9? Alright, let's check if your answer is correct. I know that 16 is the same as 10 and 6. 10 plus 6. Look at the way I wrote it. 10 minus 9 is 1, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Another question. 15 minus 9. Solve quickly. What's your answer? 15 can be written as 10 and 5. We'll decompose the number. 10 minus 9 is 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. 13 minus 8 is what? Here's a quick way to solve it. 13 can be written as 10 and 3. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5. 15 minus 7, what is your answer? Solve quickly. 15 minus 7. Alright, let's check if your answer is correct. 15 is the same as 10 and 5. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 16 minus 7, what's your answer? Alright, 16 is the same as 10 and 6, and 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 6, 9. That means 16 minus 7 equals 9. 12 minus 9. What's your answer? 12 is 10 and 2, and 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 12 minus 9 is 3. 13 minus 7. What will you say? 13 is the same as 10 and 3, and 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Math is fun, isn't it? Now, for every number sentence that I give, I want you to subtract the ones from the tens. Just subtract only the 1 from the 10. Only the 10. And tell me what you get. When I say 12 minus 4, 12, you can write 12 as 10 and 2. But I just want you to subtract the 4 from the 10 alone and tell me what you get. Later, we'll put back the ones. So if I say 12 minus 4, just tell me 10 minus 4 equals 6. Ready? Let's start. 12 minus 4, 10 minus 4 equals 6. 13 minus 7, 10 minus 7 equals 3. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 15 minus 7, I want only the 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Now, let's add back the ones that we did not add before. So we'll take from the 10, then add back the ones. 12 minus 4. We already said that 10 minus 4 equals 6, plus 2 equals 8. 13 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3, plus 3, 6. 11 minus 8, we said 10 minus 8 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 11 minus 8 equals 3. 10 minus 9 equals 1 plus 3, 4. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 15 minus 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now let us say how many more tens. If I say 45 minus 35, so you say 10 because 45 minus 35 is 10. So to say how many more tens in a sentence, you say 45 is 10 more than 35. Are you ready? 65 is 20 more than 45. 85 is 40 more than 45. 74 is 50 more than 24. 59 is 30 more than 29. 38 is 20 more than 18. 99 is 80 more than 19. Here's an application problem. Barb has a bag of 34 cherries. She ate 17 cherries for a snack. How many cherries does she have left? I use vertical method to solve this question. 34 cherries, you eat 17, so remove 17 from 34. If we use a 10 from the 3 and remove 7 from it, we'll have 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. In the tens place, we'll now have 2 discs of 10 left, so 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 17. Look at this question, 25 minus 11. We know the total 25 and we know that we want to remove 11. What we don't know is what the answer will be if you remove 11 from 25. Are you saying it? Now let us solve that question, 25 minus 11. When we are subtracting using place value days, we'll write only the full number that we are subtracting from. To subtract means to cancel out, we are removing. So if you're removing 11 from 25, I've drawn the discs for 2 tens and 5 ones. 11 means that we're going to cross out 1 disc of 1 and 1 disc of 10. Our answer will be 14. That's simple. Here's another question, 22 minus 13. In the vertical form, you said you cannot remove 3 from 2. So what I did was to decompose or unbundle a 10. I changed a 10 for 10 ones so that I will be able to cross out or remove 3 ones from it. When I change it, I now have a total of 12 ones. And when I removed my 3 ones, you see the ones I crossed out, I removed them. I'm left with 9 ones. And I'm going to cross out another 10. If one of them, if I'm subtracting 13, you see, so I have, the answer is 9. The same thing, 31 minus 18. If you see in the place value vertical form, I cannot remove 8 from 1. So I cannot remove 8 from 1. So what I did was to decompose a 10. I exchanged 1 disc of 10 for 10 ones. And I have 11 ones. So I can easily remove the 8. I cross out the 8 and I'm left with 3 ones. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then I'm going to remove 1 10. I cross it out. I'm left with 1 disc of 10. So if you cross out 18 from 31, if you remove 18 from 31, you're usually going to have 13. What are 46 minus 28? In the vertical form, you see I cannot remove 8 from 6. So I'm going to decompose a 10 to make it 10 ones. And when I decompose it, I now have 16 ones. I can now cross out the 8. 16 ones minus 8 ones, I have 8 ones. And when I remove 2 10s from the 3 tens left, I'll have 1 10. So 46 minus 28 is 18. Let's do one more. 32 minus 19. I cannot remove 9 from 2, so I have to decompose 1 10, exchange it for 1 10 ones. If I exchange it for 10 ones, I now have 12 ones, so I can easily remove 9 ones from 12 ones. I will be left with 3. And if I cross out 1 10 from the 2 tens left, I have 13. 32 minus 19 is 13. So, it's your turn. Solve these ones for me and then bring your work to class. Bye.